Hello everybody, we're gonna unbox, set up, and install this bed frame right here. So I actually finished setting up the bed frame and I made a mistake. So make sure to watch the whole video so that way you can learn from my mistake. So this is what it looks like out of the box. We have all the screws here. As you can see, there's not too many. And then we have the manual right here. Here's the screw list if you guys need that. And then there's only, a few pages here, so it shouldn't take too long. Here is step one. You gotta grab A that looks like this. And you're basically just gonna flip these out and then put the M1 screws in it right there. Of course, it does come with the Allen wrench here. But if you really want to move faster, you can use a drill bit just like this, and it's gonna make things a lot quicker. Next, we're gonna put on C1 and C2 with the M1 screws. So you're gonna use 4 total, 2 each side. So I have them laying here. We have C1 here. Again, labeled right there, and then C2 right here. Now we got to do the same thing to the other side. So we got to find B. It's the same step as this end right here. You're just doing the other end. So we're going to pop these out, put the M1 screws in, just one per side. We're going to do the same thing to the other side using 2 M1 screws. Now that we have both sides, we got to connect them together. So you're going to use the L1 pieces with the same M1 screws. So you're going to use the last 4 M1 screws with the L1s right here in the middle. So we are nearing the finish here. You just got to take the E bar, put it in the middle, and you're going to use the last 2 M2 screws, different size. But it's easy to spot because they're the last 2 screws. These ones are just extras there for you. Now all we have to do is lay the K1 middle panels on right here, and then we'll be finished. So it's fairly simple to do. All you do is line it up just like that. Put it on the other side there. Sorry, I'm doing this with a camera in my hands. There we go. You push down, and you're good to go. Super easy. So as you guys can see, I actually made a mistake. These ones laid on right on top, and then on this side, I can't lay them down because they're upside down. So it's actually not supposed to be C2 on both sides or C1 on both sides. It's supposed to be C1, C2, C2, C1. It's supposed to be opposites. You want to basically, I know it sounds confusing, but basically you just want to make sure that all of these are facing upwards so that way you can lay them down. You don't want them opposite like this. So just keep that in mind when setting it up. So here it is all set up after, of course I switched the 2. It didn't take that long, especially if you're using a drill bit like that. I was able to just swap it pretty easily. But yeah, this is what it looks like overall. I like the simplistic look of it, very good quality. You can see the legs are quite thick. They're not super thin and bendy. They're nice and wide, so they're gonna be able to hold a decent amount of weight. Everything feels pretty good quality. This brand makes pretty good quality products. So yeah, if you guys are looking for an easy to put together bed frame that's, affordable price, that's good quality, this is definitely a great way to go. Definitely check it out and pick one up.